Welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. So how do you make a boomerang video using your camera roll on Instagram? So first of all, let's open the app right now. Now that you've opened the app, I want you to tap on the icon that says plus right here, and then go ahead and just tap on story. You know, when you normally upload a story. See, when you tap on the camera, you can record and make boomerang video if you want to, but if you want to turn videos that are already existing on your gallery into boomerang, just go ahead and look for selfie videos. Just click this icon right here and go ahead and search for selfie videos that have this infinity sign in them. You know, the boomerang sign. That means a particular video is compatible for boomerang. And once you pick a particular video that you like, it'll automatically convert it into boomerang. And here it is. Here's an example of a successful boomerang edit from my gallery roll. But if you don't see any boomerang option, that's because probably your application is not updated by the new feature of Instagram, or it could be that the feature is just not available in your country, unfortunately. So the only solution to this, if you want to turn your videos into a boomerang video, is to go to Play Store, and you could find a lot of editing tools there for boomerang, specifically for boomerang. So you could just search boomerang there, and that'll help you out with your video. So I hope this video has helped you in any way. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. Have a nice day.